Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important shortcut tricks for Excel charts. These tricks help your Excel charts look unique and it reduces your time while preparing or presenting it to others. So let's start. So we have this chart showing sales data for car for year 2021. But my colleagues added sales data for 2022 as well. And she was adding this 2022 data to the chart by right clicking on the chart, select data and add using that option. So I showed her a better option. Just select the 2022 data, copy it, select the chart and paste it here. This will instantly add 2022 data as an extra series to the chart. But now we have a new problem. We are going to get some extra data here. She wanted to know how to add this automatically to the chart. So I told her, first select everything and press Ctrl T, click OK. Then select this data and paste it here. You can see it will automatically add the October data here. We also have this VK Textile 2022 one trend graph and my colleague was preparing this for a presentation. When she showed this graph to her boss immediately said this looks good. But I don't need to see expenditure all the time. You can take it out. So instead of making a brand new chart just with sales and profit, you do this little trick. Select the chart and you can see these three options. Select the filter option and here you can remove the expense option and click on apply. So it will automatically remove the expense lines from the chart. The line is still there, so if you need it for another presentation, you can always restore it just by clicking here and apply. It will appear back. This is a report card showing total sales made by a salesperson. And my colleague made this new graph, but instead of the bar itself, she wanted to show a picture of car there. So I showed her this trick. Select the picture, copy it, select the bars and paste it. But it doesn't look good. So press Ctrl 1. The format data point will appear. And inside the fill option, you can see the option called stack and scale width. You can adjust how many cars you want it to appear. So let's suppose I'll write 2. Now it will look good. Remember this chart? My colleague wanted to highlight the month that has highest number of cars. So this is what she was doing. She selected the month, which is the highest here, and go to the format option and inside this shape fill, she'll change the color. Well, this works, but if your data changes, so for example, in April, instead of 29, we will have 59,000. This is going to be the higher value. But the highlighting remains here. So I showed her this trick instead. First, select the columns and change the color into the dull color. After this, add a highlight column. Now we are going to write simple formula is equal to if select this cell is equal to max, open bracket, select this range and don't forget to press Ctrl function 4, close the bracket, select the cell and 0. It's going to be the 0 for everything except the month that has the highest value. Close the bracket, enter and fill it down for the rest of the cell. So here if you can see the highest value is showing. Next, select this column, copy it and paste it here. You can see the highlight bar appears here. but it doesn't look good. So click on the bar, the format data series will appear, and here in the series overlap, edit it to the 100%. That's it. Now you have got a highlighter color. If your data changes, so April becomes 59,000, you can see the highlighter bar will automatically change. You can also use this feature for the picture graph. For example, here I am showing different cars for the person that is selling most of them. We also have this car matrix. It shows how much money we make for each of our products across all the geographies. We operate as this is quite dense report. My colleagues wanted to know if there is an easy way to add a little bit of glamour to it. So this is the trick I showed to her. Select all the data, and here there is a formatting option. Click on that. You can see the data bars here. Now you have data bars everywhere with the data bars. It is super easy to understand how your data is spread with cells have a really high and low value. You can also change the color by going to the conditional formatting. Inside the data bars option, there are so many colors, and if you don't like the colors which is available here, you can go to the manage rules, click edit rules, and here you can change the color, and that's it. My colleague has prepared this nice little report, and now she wanted to know if there is an easy way to see this is for Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, and so on. So she added cities as a slicer. Right click on the cities, add a slicer, and here the drop box will appear. So now if you click on the Chennai, it will show the sum of sales amount for the particular cities. Like click on the Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana, you will see all the results here. After doing this, she only wanted to see the top 10 results. Go to the row labels, and here inside the value filters, select the top 10. Click OK. And now whenever you click on the Gujarat, Haryana, Hyderabad, Mumbai, it will only show you the top 10 results. Here she wanted to know how to turn this into an interactive top 10 graph. Select the data, and inside the pivot table analysis, you can find out the pivot chart where you can select any of the data according to your need. So when you click on the cities, the graph will change accordingly. Share this video to your colleagues who struggles a little bit with Excel. I hope you learn and enjoy these tricks. Thanks for watching.